Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus. Second chapter numbers and sequences. In that already 7 exercises I have completed. I will continue with the 8th exercise. In the 8th exercise already 8 sums completed. Now I will continue with the 9th sum. Find the rational form of the number 0.123. So we can write 0.123 as 0.123, 123, 123, 123. So this is only given like this, 0.123 bar. So this is a 123, 123, like this it will be going on. Okay, it is an irrational number. We are asked to find the rational form of this given number. Rational form of this given number we are asked to write. So for writing the rational form of this number, we will rewrite this given number as 0.123, okay, 0.123 plus 0.000123 plus 0.000123 plus, like that. In the next term when we are writing 9 zeros we have to write. So when we are adding all these things, 0.123, 0.000123, then 0.00000123, like this if we are adding 123, 123, 123 we will get. So for that, like that only we are expanding this. We are separating this for finding the rational form of the given number. Okay. So now in this we can write this 0.123 as 123 by 1000. We can write this as 123 by 1000 plus 123 by 1 followed by 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 123. So like this it will be going on. Okay. So 123 by 1 followed by 9 zeros, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So like this we can write this. Okay. So in this 123 by 1000 I am going to take it out common. In all the terms I am going to take 123 by 1000 as common. So the remaining terms will be 1. Since I have taken this 123 by 1000 out, I can write this as 1 plus 123 I have taken. So in the numerator 1 I will get by 1000 I have taken out. So balance 1000 I will be getting it here plus 1 by 1000 I have taken. So 1 followed by 6 zeros I will get it here plus, like this it will be going on. So 123 by 1000. Okay. So this one is 1 plus 1 by 10 power 3 plus 1 by 10 power 6 plus it will be going on up to infinity. Okay. So this one T2 by T1. So T2 is 1 by 10 power 3 by T1 is 1. So we'll get the ratio as 1 by 10 power 3. Then T3 by T2. T3 is 1 by 10 power 6 by 1 by 10 power 3. When we simplify this, we'll get the ratio as 1 by 10 power 3. So since the ratios are same, the given terms are in GP. So since this is up to infinity, that formula we are going to use. So 123 by 1000 into, this is GP. So we are going to use that infinity formula. Yes, infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R. So what is A? First term is 1. So A by 1 minus R. What is the ratio we got? 1 by 10 power 3. So this is the ratio. So 123 by 1000. Then this one we have to simplify. So 1 by 10 power 3. So 10 power 3 is 1000 minus 1 by 1000. So this, when we write it in the next side, when we write this one, I will continue here. So 123 by 1000 into, so this 1000 will go to the numerator. So we'll get 1000 by 1000 minus 1 is 999. So 123 by 1000 into 1000 by 999. So this can be cancelled. So 123 by 999 will get. Again, if we simplify, both are the multiples of 3. So again, when we simplify, 41 by 333. So this is the rational form for the given number 0.123. So in the both LHS and RHS, we will multiply x minus y. So x minus y into Sn is equal to x minus y into x plus y plus x squared plus xy plus y squared plus x cube plus x squared y plus xy squared plus y cube up to n terms. Up to n term. So for all the terms we have to multiply with x minus y. So we'll get x minus y into x plus y plus x minus y into x squared plus xy plus y squared plus x minus y into x cube plus x squared y plus xy squared plus y cube. Like that we will multiply it with all the terms. So x minus y into n terms. So we will write like that itself. Up to n terms we are multiplying this x minus y. Okay, so now when we multiply x minus y and x plus y, we will get x squared minus y squared using the algebraic identity. Then next term also x squared y plus xy plus y squared into x minus y, when we multiply we will get x cube plus y cube. Okay, then plus x minus y into x cube plus x squared y plus xy squared plus y cube, when we multiply it will be x power 4, sorry, this one will be x cube minus y cube. Same way x power 4 minus y power 4. Okay, plus n terms we will get. So when we multiply with x minus y, we will get like this. So the next step, we will take this x squared term and y squared term separately we will take. So x squared plus x cube plus x power 4 up to n terms we will get. Same way y also minus y squared plus y cube plus y power 4, like that we will get up to n terms. Okay, so now next step is, I'll take this x squared common out. X I will take x squared, I will take it out. So when I take x squared common outside, the remaining term will be 1 plus x. If I take x squared, I will get x balance plus x squared up to n terms I will take it. Same way here also. Y squared into 1 plus y squared plus n terms I will get. Okay, so now when I check this term, this sequence and this one, x by 1, the ratio for this I will be getting it as x. X squared by x also, the ratio will be x only. So the ratios are same. So the given terms are in GP. Same way for y also. Y by 1 is, that is T2 by T1 is, I am getting y. T3 by T2 also I will get y. Here also the ratios are same. So this term also is in GP. So in this, A is equal to 1 and R is equal to x. So for this term, R is equal to 1. So A is equal to 1 and the ratio is y. So the formula is, this x squared will be as it is. For this term alone, we will be using that formula. So A into R power n. R power n minus 1 by r minus 1. R minus 1. So this is the GP formula. Then minus y squared into A is 1. A into R power n. R is y power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Okay. So check this what we are asked to prove. The same thing we got. X minus y into Sn is equal to x squared into, when you can multiply this x squared with this. So you will get x squared into x power n minus 1 by x minus 1 minus y squared into y power n minus 1 by y minus 1. Okay. So this is the thing we are asked to prove. So we have proved this. Okay. So x minus y into Sn is equal to this. I am getting. So we are asked to prove that we have proved. Okay. So with this I am completing today's class and this exercise is over. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.